All right, we're going to look at the Kansas Board of Regents degree stats website and some of the features of it and kind of how it works. And so the first thing you see when you come to the site is you can choose one of the Board of Regents schools in Kansas, and it'll give you information about the programs they offer. And so if I just click the drop down menu here, all of the Board of Regents schools in the state of Kansas are included in this list. And so if you see things like community college or technical college, those are generally going to be places where you can earn an associate's degree. An associate's degree is a typically a 2-year degree program. Um, any place where you see things like Fort Hays State, the university, those are going to be your 4-year universities. And typically at 4-year universities, you earn things like bachelor's degrees. And so there's a few little differences between the two, and we'll look into some of those differences in more detail in a minute. So that's kind of one way to search things. And so if I want to click on Pittsburgh State University, it will give me every degree program they offer at Pittsburgh State. And so you can see that at Pittsburgh State, they offer both bachelor's degrees, those are your 4-year type degrees, and also associate's degrees, which are your, again, 2-year types of degrees. And so um, one of the things that you can do, like I said, is search by an institution. You can also search by degree title. And so if there's a degree title you want to search by, you can pick that and it'll give you every Board of Regents school that offers that degree title. And you can also keyword search. And so let's say I don't know what the degree program's called, but I know I want to do something in construction. I can type that in and you can see it'll give you several options. So let's just say I click on construction. It will give you all of the construction related degree programs, both the 4-year bachelor degree and the 2-year associate's degree. So it'll give you all of those options. And so one of the things that you're going to be doing um, uh, as part of your assignment here is you are going to be looking at some more information about some of these degree programs that you're interested in. So for instance, if I come over here and like, let's say I want to uh, type in nurse and we're going to look up some information about nursing. I can see that Butler County Community College offers a nursing program. It's an associate's degree, so it's a 2-year degree, so I can click on that. And then it'll give me some information about people who have gone to Butler Community College and um, kind of more information about their graduates. And so here in the first kind of table is the annual cost of that degree. And so they're basing that on the tuition, any fees that could be applied, your room and board, so a place to sleep and food to eat, and then any books and supplies that you need. And so if you look here, the estimated cost to complete that degree in 2 years is $30,410. It shows us down under the wage information table that 93% of the students who studied got an associate's degree from nursing at Butler Community College. 93% of them stayed within that region to become employed. It gives us some median salary information. And so entry positions from Butler, the graduates from Butler earned $45,604 a year. And after 5 years, the kind of median or average salary was $50,815. The other next table up here is your source of investment. And so this is helping you understand that if you go to get this degree from Butler, what's it actually going to cost you? If you break that down. And so right now it's putting in about $5,556 in scholarships and grants, and it's having you assume that you're able to get a student loan for $8,500 a year. So one thing that I think is nice to do is, since scholarships and grants aren't necessarily always guaranteed, I'm just going to go in and I'm going to change that to the annual cost. So $14,961. And so I have no other funding sources. I'm going to get student loans to pay for my degree. The nice thing down here in the last table then is when you do that, it gives you the degree investment tools. And so what these tools are telling us, it's showing us that if we borrowed annually for the 2 years, $14,961, and the interest rate is set at 3.76%, we will spend approximately 8% of our annual salary, or $300 a month, if we want to pay off our student loan in 10 years. All right. And so you will be paying $300 a month for 10 years to be able to pay off that right around $30,000 that you invested in your schooling. Now, if you were to pay off that loan in 30 years, it's going to cost you 4% of your annual salary, or about $139 a month. And so those are important things to think about, and these percentages are really nice to kind of have all the information when you're thinking about what kind of investment is this degree.